Comparison functions. Oracle provides two functions for general comparisons. The function greatest will provide the highest value in the set of values that we provide. The highest value is 345. It can do numerical comparison as well as character-based comparison. So this is a character-based comparison. The highest value is car, which starts with the letter C. The function least does the opposite. It returns the lowest value of the set. 25 is the lowest value. Airplane is the lowest value. So it can also do numerical comparison as well as character-based comparison. Thank you for watching.